What is Iman? Imam. Iman, that is faith. If you have faith on something, that is called Iman. And Iman and not peace. I guess you get each pen, otherwise you will lose sight of here, or I will lose sight of here. Yes. You know, there are two types of knowledge or beliefs. One belief springs from observations. Like I am observing you, and it is not that I have Iman on you. But if you tell me something which I have not observed myself directly, but I only believe you that you are right, then that thing, if I believe, is called Iman. Follow this? Direct observation and personal knowledge is not called Iman, but an indirect observation based on some evidence is called Iman if that belief is strongly established in one's heart. Right?